My name is Raquel Kinney, and I am from Marion, South Carolina. The seminar was very informative. I suffer from several chronic issues such as osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, spinal stenosis, just to name a few. So some of the information that he talked about with the stem cells was very informative. It gave me another option other than traditional medicine, and definitely that traditional surgery option. It was something that I could consider, um, of course, after going fully through the consultation to see how best it would suit me. Dr. Mike was very knowledgeable, and even in answering some of the questions, he seemed to know a lot. Because times are changing, there needs to be more options that can give you long-term results. Some of the options with a traditional medicine or surgery, rehab, it's just a cycle, and it seems to be kind of like a downward spiral. Um, Me being officially diagnosed back in '06 and on at least my sixth infusion medicine, we just can't seem to find that medicine that will keep me mobile and going. So this is definitely something that I would consider doing.